Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Microsoft To Do and we're using it on iPad, so on iOS device. It's also available on Android. So when you log on to the app, and if you're using it in conjunction with an organizational account, it may ask you to put in a PIN before you log in. Depends on your organization's security settings. So let's look at the menu down the left-hand side. Well, firstly, what is Microsoft To Do? Well, it's a to-do list. It's a way of managing all of your tasks, and you can pull all of your tasks from various different elements within Microsoft. So for example, if I go to the flagged email section, it will show me emails that I've done. I can go to Assigned with Me and it will show me tasks linked to a Microsoft Planner. If I go to tasks, it will just show me all of the tasks that are on my to-do list. If I want to add them to my day, I can click onto the task. I can then click Add to My Day. And then when I go to My Day will filter just the task that you've chosen for that day. So it's really good. You could have your tasks in for your month. So if you've got lots of assignments due, you could have all the assignments listed, but you could just focus on those that you want to prioritize for that day. So really nice that you can have My Day just to filter the tasks you want to do at that particular time. If we come further down, we've got the option to add a new list. So this is great if you want to add a list of tasks related to a particular assignment or a particular topic. So if I come here, I want to create a new list. Oh, the app has just frozen. We'll just reopen that. So having got my new list, I can rename that list. So let's call that photography. And I could add a color, or I could add a photo based on the photos available in the app, just so it's distinctive and I can see each list clearly. And then if I want to add a new task, I can click Add New Task. And having added it, I can hit enter and it's added my task there. If I want to add more details to my task, I can click onto it. I can add steps. And it could be multiple steps that I'm adding. I'm just making stuff up as I go, but you could see what it is and hit enter. I can then get rid of the keyboard. And then I've got other things I can do as well. So I can add it to My Day, so it brings up on my list of things that I need to action today. I can ask it to set me a reminder linked to a particular time. I can pick a specific date or time. I'm going to set tomorrow. I can add a due date, and I can pick a date, let's say the 2nd of June, 2nd of September. If it's a task I need to do on a regular basis, I can click repeat and choose how often I want to repeat the task. I could also browse my device and add a file, and I can make notes. So I could click onto the add note at the bottom of that option and type in notes. So that's how I can add additional information to my task. I really like the add step feature because it means you can have a complicated task that's added, and you can get the satisfaction of ticking off each of the stages before you complete the whole task. As I said, if I click star, I can view it on my important tasks. And what's really nice is the way you can filter it on different things. So you can filter your important, your flagged, assigned to me, or planned. And then I can just go to My Day, and that's the tasks I want to do. So I think for when it comes to keeping yourself organized, I suggest do this as part of your add the tasks as you receive them. Add the assignments, add anything you need to remind yourself as you receive it. And then on the morning, before you start work, just go through and move stuff that you want to focus on to My Day. So really useful app. I hope you found it useful. Remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.